Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenny, and on the channel I do budget with me, cash stuffing, saving challenges, investing and more. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. I will absolutely love to have you here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate all the support. In today's video, we're gonna do my November budget setup. Okay, let's zoom in. So November, it's a magic month, meaning I will be getting an extra paycheck. So I get paid weekly, and this month I expect to make 3,100, and this is like this money is what I will save after taxes, health insurance, vision, dental, and 401k contribution, and I also contribute about $38 every paycheck that go toward my HSA. On YouTube, I won't be making anything. For side hustle, I did work last week. I'm supposed to get paid on Friday, and I'm hoping to make $472. And when I do my budget, I always like kind of underestimate my income and estimate my expenses, so at the end of the month I won't have any surprise. So total will be, I expect to make 3,572. Mortgage sinking fund, I bought the house this year, and I'm gonna budget 1,100, and this is like not the total, because I do have a tenant but a multi-family, but for privacy reason I don't include how much it is. I just include how much money I put toward the house for toward the mortgage, and also the save for some of the sinking fund. It's 1,100. And water and utility, gas and electric, I already pay this, and I pay total, it was like 195.36 cents, but we're just gonna put 195. We're gonna ignore the cents, and I will put screenshot. Water and sewer, so my water was like 45 something, and I had to pay $1 something for service fee when you use a credit card. And the sewer, which is I get the bill quarterly, it was like 210, and I also had to pay service fee. I think next time I'm gonna pay using a check. I will also put screenshot, and the total for both of them was 266.50 something, so we're gonna put 267. Mom health insurance, I pay for health insurance is 36. She's working part-time, and she has health insurance through the marketplace, so it's really cheap because she's a low income. Her phone is 30. She has Metro PC, monthly bus and T-Pass. I don't have a car, and I rely on public transportation, and it's $90. Application, right now I currently just have one, which is like $675, so we're gonna put 7. And buffer, I always want to have a little bit stay in my for unexpected, so it will be just like 20. So 1,100 plus 195 plus 267 plus 36 plus 30 plus 90 plus 7 plus 20. It's 1,745. 1,745. So we have 1,827 left over. Then we're gonna do food. We're gonna do 200 for the month, because it's just like me, and I'm also, because I'm spending my time like 50 at the house that I bought, and also at my dad and stepmom house, so I do get a lot of free food. Lyft and Uber, sure, I don't have a car, but sometimes, like if I'm late or if I'm going somewhere, and because it's quite a walk from my house to the train station, and sometimes I'm just like lazy, I don't want to walk, so I will call a Uber or a Lyft, depending on what is like cheaper. So we're just gonna budget, let's do 40. Entertainment, we're gonna do 50. I need to go see the second movie for I don't even know what is the name of it. Black Panther, the second one. I don't know the name of the second one. So I know the name of the first one. Yeah, I heard it's really good, and I heard like some part of it was filmed in Haiti, so they have in Cap Haitien, and they have like some Creole in it. So I definitely wanna go see it. Spending, we're gonna do 15. Dollar Tree, let's do 22. Tip, we're gonna do 10. Personal care, right now my personal care is empty envelope because I did bought hair product that I needed. Copay and medicine, we're gonna do 10. Actually, like I have a new insurance, so I don't have a copay. Before I had a copay, but now I don't have a copay anymore, so which is good. Miscellaneous, let's do 20, and giving, let's do 40. So what is the total? 200 plus 40 plus 50 plus 15 plus 22 plus 30 plus 60, 417. So we have minus 1827. Oh, so we have 1,410 left. Now we're gonna do my second fund. We're not gonna put a lot of money on my second fund because we're gonna put most of the money toward my saving challenges. Christmas, okay, Christmas is here. I'm behind, so let's do 150. Birthday, I don't have any birthday coming, so let's do 5. Event, let's do nothing. Car, I'm saving for a car. It's a very slow process. Let's do 40. Electronic, let's do 30. Vacation, I don't have any vacation plan. I don't even have a passport. Yeah, every time I'm saying that I need to go renew it, I still haven't. Dental, let's also do 5. Vision, let's do 5. My allowance, we're gonna give myself 20. Self-care, let's do 10. Clothes, my clothes envelope is now empty because I spent most of the money on it. I get some I needed like a winter boot, so let's do 5. Budget with Jenny, we're not gonna do anything for those because I usually use my YouTube paycheck to stuff them, and I did not get a YouTube paycheck this month. So 150 plus 5 plus 40 plus 30 plus 15 plus 35, it's 275. Let's double check. 155 plus 70 plus 15 plus 35, 275. Okay, so how much do we have left? We had 1410 minus 275. Okay, we have a good amount left. We have 1,135 left. Okay, next we're gonna do my I already max out my highway for my HSA. Like I say, I'm putting about like 38 something per paycheck that go directly, so for a total of 2,000, but to max it out is 3,650. So, and I do want to max it out. I think I'm close. I think I have what I have to check, but about 600 something left. So let's do 100. iBonds, I did open one, and I think right now I just have, I think I have $1,000 in iBonds. So let's add 50, and everything else will go toward my saving challenges. 35 minus 100 minus 50, so 985 will go toward my saving challenge. So 100 plus 50 plus 985 equal like 1,700, and like just like that, we don't have no money left. So this is a zero-based budget, meaning I was able to give every dollar I make a purpose. Yep. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, which most likely be a saving challenge stuffing. Bye, take care, have a great weekend.